In this video, I'll show you how to update all apps on your Android phone. So as with all apps on an Android phone, you need to head into the Play Store. So go ahead and open that. Make sure you're signed into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. And from there, click on Manage Apps and Device. Now as you can see, the second bit down it says updates available. I've got 12 updates pending. I can simply select update all from here, or I can click on see details. And these are all the apps that have an update. You can update them individually, or if you want to update them all at once and just have them all updating in the background, you need to just simply select the update all button in the top right hand corner, like so. And as you can see, they're now all updating. Every one of them says pending. These will all update in the background, so just go about your normal day, and when everything's updated, that's it done. That's how to update all apps on an Android phone.